ha ka step jong ka arpun turik jumang araja arpulai ka jingle jingo jong ka Kong Ampareen lingdo ka MLA ka NPP na East Shillong bat ka menteri sarkar jong ka MDA2 ban kerpat yu Bah Ardent basemoy president ka VPP ubosong syat ngan menta bandawa penbej ya ka reservation policy kala penban syakarensan ya tai nagadaw ka jingbu jingkeli ka Kong Ampareen ueu Khasi yo Bah Ardent haba jubab Bah Ardent uloong skongsi bakidai ki politician ni ki noyelam seng san partai ki ba pharia ya ka jaitbynriew namar kombolong Khasi yu kontoblut ya baro nadu khnriam upnar ubhoi bat war.
So Khasi means what? Giant grass, so many of them.
Yeah, they are all included.
Everybody is
Khnriam
there.
upnar. Don't try to divide.
I'm not
Don't
dividing.
try to divide.
I'm not dividing.
Don't try to explain about the division. Don't try to bring that issue. When we talk about Khasi, we all know that Khasi means Khnriam upnar ubhoi uar maramulengam. That is the definition of Khasi. So if you bring Jaita, if you bring boy, then there will be another problem. No. Why should you worry? It's the politician who promote this division. We are promoting unity. We are promoting unity. We call for the unity of the people. We are going everywhere. Let us unite. Let us have a sense of understanding that we are one as a community. When we say Khasis, we mean we include Honar, we include War, we include Hoi. So let us not bring that. Don't worry for me. Okay. Worry for the youth of the state.
I'm very concerned.
Youth of this region.
Very concerned.
Worry for the future of our youths.
I'm very
worry for the
concerned
future of
for
the state.
you and for everyone.
Not for me.
For you
Not
and
for me. I'm ready to sacrifice my life.